Hi guys, welcome to Market News and Updates. I'm your host Omi and welcome to OMI-MIZ YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be checking out whether BTC is gonna remain at these levels or 44 or 41,000 is possible. So without any waste, let's jump right into our video. The first news we have today is look out below. Analysts eye 40,000 Bitcoin price after today's dip to 45.7k. A lot of people are expecting a massive dip coming into the markets as we believe 47,000 used to be a very good support levels as we've seen many rallies in our previous historical data as well. But क्योंकि अगर अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे situation देखें, it seems like the market is gonna go down. If we look at update according to volume, 47,000 has been a good support lately, but if we break it, our next support is 40,000. On the other hand, if we are able to break 50.6k resistance, the next one is all the way at 56k. Let's see which is set up is going to play out. So overall, we've already broken our 47,000's basic support. We can expect the market to have a waterfall to the next levels of 44 or even 45,000. The next news we have for today is very shocking and surprising as well. As Myanmar's shadow government announces they want to use stable USDT currency as a mode of currency in their country right now. It is very surprising for them to be taking such a step and coming at such a shocking time as we are heading towards end of the year. It's going to be interesting to see whether we're going to be seeing any news about this from IMF and other currency related agencies in the world. Whether they'll be allowed to use that or not is going to be very interesting time, and this will also increase USDT's dominance. तो मार्केट में ज़्यादा डॉलर आने लगेगा, वो इसलिए क्योंकि अब हुकूमत म्यांमार की बोल रही है they want to use USDT as a mode of currency.
Why? This is business.
This is the only positive news we have today from the markets. It's sad, but whenever we are in a bearish market में सिर्फ sad news होती है जिसकी वजह से और आपके जो आवाम होती है, लोग होते हैं, they get more and more sad about the news floating around. So for this news, this can give us some sort of a hope. A classic bull run forecasting metric goes full bull, while whales look to hedge exposure to the Federal Reserve this week. So hopefully we can expect some more money coming in from the bull side. This is the 30-day WMA. Strong bullish trends in the metric have preceded every strong bullish price trend of this bull, and it's just printed monster bull move. So this could be an ideal situation as we know it. So far we still be careful until some uncertainties will be resolved. As we have been seeing, RSI has already come down drastically. We are already at the levels of 30. There's a high chance we can go down and touch a bottom of 19 to 20. But if that happens, that would be a very good place to get an entry into Bitcoin and probably sell it on the next 70 of that RSI. So that's all for our news section for today. Let's see what's happening in our technicals and charts. अगर हम लोग अपना क्रिप्टो ग्रीड एंड फियर इंडेक्स देखें फॉर टुडे इट्स एट 21 and it already suggests that the market is very undecided and people are still in a very strong extreme fear levels. इससे हम लोगों को एक चांस मिल रहा है that we are still closing down on the bottom of BTC for this bear market, and we know where exactly we're going to be picking out steam from. Let's see what's happening in coin market cap. Coin market cap में देखें तो dominance is at 41.5, Ethereum is at 21. If we look at the minus amount from our total is at 2.15, it's a 41.19 decrease over the last day. It's good to see BTC's dominance again has been rising slowly, and it could tell us where the next money flow is going and what is the decision the whales and the big players in the market have taken. If we look at overall here, obviously we know market is going to be more red than green, so we'll right jump into 24 hours. So in 24 hours we've got OKB, which is up about 5%, EOS 4.77, eCash, Tezos, and then we have stable coins. So mainly we are not seeing any upside happening in the market is experiencing very strong downside. If we look at the coins that are down, that's going to be a long list. We have Oasis, Theta Fuel, Decreed, Raven, Curved Dow, Loopring, Helium 10, Wax, Gala, Waves, AGL, Algo, Inchcoin, The Sandbox, Phantom. This is going to be a massive list. It's not going to end because most of the market is in a pullback right now, and this was expected. चार्ट्स में चलते हैं, चार्ट्स में देखते हैं what is happening for us today. As we predicted yesterday, Ethereum's dominance has been coming down. As we can see, it is coming down and it is way closer to our yellow line than it was yesterday. We were trading somewhere here yesterday, and now slowly we've been coming down. If we look at the overall total market cap, we had a very nice cup and handle ever since we got rejected from 2.958 trillion. We've just been going down and we are in a very strong downtrend here as well. If we look at USDT's dominance has been on a strong move. It came out from a downtrend, it had a breakout and is still continuing its breakout. This shows us that there's less trust for buyers in Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, and they are choosing USDT. If we look at BTC's dominance right now, BTC's dominance is having a sharp rise, and we have clearly seen that BTC is rising, even went to 42. I would ideally want it to come back to 43, 44, 45. This will be an ideal area for it to trade. That will give it more control in the markets, and that will decide whether we'll be dumping more or not. If we look at others dominance has come down back to our yellow line, which we feared the most, which has already happened. Hopefully we get a bounce from here. This will give altcoins some sort of support. If not, we are gonna bleed more when it comes to altcoins. If we look at Bitcoin for today, Bitcoin is in a very strong downtrend. We are making a M-shaped pattern here, which we completed yesterday, and these patterns are usually also known as double tops. This suggests we are gonna going down. My next level to look out for BTC is 44 and then 41,000. If we look at Ethereum, I'm expecting somewhere a situation of 3300 to 3500, and it's already taking support from 377, our blue line. Hopefully we can expect a bounce back from here too, as Ethereum is very bullish and we have so much news from its blockchain and on-chain metrics. But for now, कुछ भी हो सकता है. There are no guarantees in this market. If we look at AXS 95 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, अभी भी नीचे आया हुआ है. ADA तो बहुत ही नीचे आया हुआ है. ADA is back to its old levels. It's good to see Solana is keeping up well above 150. I hoped it would stay above 150, but the trend line is near 136. So there is a possibility कि वापस 136 के पास से आके एक bounce ले. Overall, we are seeing a sharp bounce in the markets right now. XTC is up 8%, but obviously it is making a higher lower high, which is not going to be good anyhow. It's still in a very strong bearish pattern. Mana ko dekhiye, Mana is pumping again. BAT is up, STX and even these small degen token protocols are up as well. Overall, market seems very bearish. There's a expectation of more downside to be coming until or unless whales come with decisive money and a decisive move. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, share your thoughts in the comment section, and if there's something you want to reach out to me for, you can reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are given in the description below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care while you are trading. Make sure you have your eyes on the dominance for BTC and ETH and others as well. Don't get into any stupid trades, as we know market is in a very strong downtrend. So that's all. Bye bye.